My name is Nick Llewellyn. I'm the chair of the action group from the Gowerton Residents Association, which is currently in the process of dealing with some significant increases in ground rent applying to the Elba estate in Gowerton in Swansea. We own property which is leasehold property, and the City and County of Swansea is the landlord. Our leases are relatively unusual in that they have a review clause every 25 years, and that first review clause has just passed on the 1st of April, and we've now been told that from an average of between £50 to £75 per year ground rent, we've been asked to pay between 600, over 1,000 in my case, over 2,000 in some people's cases, and I think the highest amount is over £3,000 a year. This is in addition to the mortgage that we've already entered into to actually purchase the property ourselves. It came completely without warning. From our understanding, there's little precedent for a level of increase at this level. So we're here today to bring this to the attention of the Welsh Assembly, and we've handed in a petition asking for the Welsh Assembly Government to review the system of leasehold property throughout the whole of Wales, because although this is an issue contained to our estate, it does also have far-reaching implications for all leasehold property across the country. So we'd like the Welsh Assembly Government to have a look at this and to see whether there's anything that can be done to make it fairer and more certain for decent, hard-working people like us.